Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of LeetCode problem of the day at codeharbor. In today's episode, we will be tackling problem number 2466. Count ways to build good strings. Now, this is an interesting problem that involves constructing strings using some specific set of rules. So let's dive right in and check what the problem statement tells us. So we are given integers 0, 1, low and high. We need to construct a string by starting with an empty string and at each step perform either of the following. Append the character 0 0 times, append the character 1 times. This can be performed any number of times. Now, a good string is a string constructed by the above process having length between low and high inclusive. So, let's take a look at an example to better understand this problem. Now, we are given low is equal to 3, high is equal to 3, 0 is equal to 1 and 1 is equal to 1. So one possible valid good string is 0 1 1. So we can put 0 at 1 time, 0 times, so means 0 at 1 time and 1 at 1 times for each step. So we can construct length of 3 string 0 1 1. Now it can be constructed by starting from in empty string and then appending 0 at 1 time and 1 at 1 time. Now all binary strings from 000 to 111 are considered as a good strings in this example. For our second example, we are having low is equal to 2, high is equal to 3, 0 is equal to 1 and 1 is equal to 2. So we are having some examples like 0 0, 1 1, 0 0 0, 1 1 0 and 0 1 1 as a good strings. So our output will be 5. Now, to solve this problem efficiently, we need to come up with a solid approach. One observation we can make is that the number of zeros and ones available should not exceed the respective counts provided as input. Additionally, we should consider the length constraint when constructing these strings. So one way to approach this is by using dynamic programming to build the solution iteratively. So we are given a function count good strings and we are having 4 parameters in this: low, high, 0 and 1. So to start with, we will first initialize one variable dp as an integer array with the size of high plus 1. Now to initialize this string as an empty string, we will assign dp of 0 to 1. We will also create one mode value which we require for our solution modulo. So that is 10 raised to 9 plus 7. So basically we will be giving 1 0 2 100 1000 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so after this what we will do is we will loop from I in. Now we want to go with the minimum value from 0 to 1, 0 and 1. until till the highest value of the string. Now in this, if our I is less than or equal to 0, which is our parameter 0, if this is the scenario, then we will add dp of I is equal to dp of I dp of I plus dp of I minus 0. Now for our 1, we will also have the similar condition. If I is greater than or equal to 1, then we will add dp of I is equal to dp of I plus dp of I minus 1. Okay, and at the end of this loop, we will declare one variable sum is equal to 0, and we will now loop from I in low to high. For this, we will simply have sum is equal to sum plus dp of I. Now we have to get the modulo, so we will add a modulo mod, and at the end we will simply return this sum. Now let's check our solution with the test cases and see if it passes or not. So we are rerunning our solution and it is accepted. So if you have enjoyed this video and this solution, please drop a like and refer it to your friends. See you in the next video.